Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach, and check out some new inventory we just got here. This is one of my favorite models. It's a Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, and this particular one is one of a kind. It's got a custom paint job. It's on the hull there and the engines. Very sharp and definitely stands out. But let's come aboard here and check it out. First thing you'll notice getting into the boat is you got a real nice dive door that opens up. There's a ladder that mounts here, making it real easy getting in and out of the boat. This boat's designed also off the transom that you can board from either side very easily and walk across. They did a great job leaving you space there in front of the engines. So climbing aboard, you'll notice they got a nice open cockpit here that's designed to give you good room for fishing. And then if you're entertaining or riding out to the spot, you've got a real nice size bench seat that flips down. Very thick stainless hardware on there. It does not feel like a flip down seat when you're riding. So it feels definitely more like a permanent fixture on the boat. Folds away nice and smooth and tucked under that padded bolster. This one's equipped with the new Mercury V8 300s that are naturally aspirated. We've been seeing incredible performance numbers. Definitely check it out. You can see them on Boston Whaler's website, or give me a call. I'm happy to go through it with you. But yeah, the great setup here. Here, come aboard. You have fish boxes in the floor. Nice rear-facing, aft-facing seat that flips out into a nice table, bait prep station. This particular one is also equipped with a nice teak table that's stowed down in the bilge here that would mount there, so you'll have a table in between your opposing seats, which definitely makes it nice for entertaining. And then coming up to the helm, you'll notice this is a joystick boat. It's equipped with the Raymarine, the new Axiom 16-inch screen. You've got space that we can always add another one if you like. But again, equipped with joystick, which makes this boat incredibly easy to maneuver and dock in tight spaces. Really takes a lot of the stress out of boating. We can do a whole nother video just on the functions of the joystick, but it's incredible, really. So. Moving up to the bow, first we'll notice you got a nice sized head on this boat. Nice and sealed. Got your outrigger poles in there. You've got some storage as well as a sink. And then you can see there, those poles, those are for your bow shade. And that also, you can see where your rods would slide into the head there for storage. So you've got a nice lounger on this boat, which is great for laying out, entertaining. You can put the bow shade up. Also makes it awesome for fishing. So you can fight the fish all the way around the boat. You don't have to worry about all the seats in your way. So great design. It's been real popular for us. And then another added benefit you get with that is what we'll call the garage. An incredible amount of storage. You've got the cushions there that go up in the bow here, this nice wraparound seating. And Whaler does a great job with it. You can see how they cut this space out to maximize the seating up in the bow. So great innovation from Whaler. This is definitely a boat you need to see in person. Again, my name is Jordan Hanna from MarineMax Palm Beach. You can reach me 561-427-9217. And look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.